Do 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 do. Whoosh. No. Ow, ow, ooh, ooh, ding, ding, ba, ba, bing, bing, ow. Compliment from Zion, why capture Muriel using courage first. I got an idea, let's do something else before next I bet well. What am I going to do, Shia? I know what I've been doing, I've told you for, we gotta do something else in fast for. I got an idea, let's capture him. Great idea. Let's get him at fast. No more cookies. I mean bed lights. Oh man, it's early in the morning already. Oh, I can get some rest. Meet me to get some breakfast. Oh, ow, yo, Oh. Huh? What the? Dun dun dun. What the? Let me see. Dun dun dun. Ah! Courage, what is it? Are aliens out of space? I'll get some coming. No, it's alien. He's here. What's here? Who's here? By wants to know what the? Mario! Oh, what's going on over here? Where's my supper? Oh! Ooh. Yep, what's going on? Oh, welcome to the alien of outer space. Hey, what the? I am the captain of alien. Aliens? What are you talking about? I know the aliens. No, we don't it before. I am a captain alien of outer space and before he died. What do you mean talk about? You said this nightmare. I want to go home. We gotta find a way home back to the sandcastle with us. Oh dear. Oh no. What am I gonna do? Not so fast. I'll take over one. Why? Oh no! Oh dear. Oh! Press button. What the? Oh no! Oh no! Hold on. Oh, you could help. What are we doing? I got an idea. Let's press the button. Or this one. Help! What the? Let me go. Oh, let's see, where were we? Oh, yes. Press the puncher machine. First, aye, master. You get moving on. For poke. Move it or lose it. Or do something else before. Bye bye. Enjoy your stay. No! Ready? Courage, do something! Oh, courage! Press M1. Oh boy. Oh no! Courage, help! Oh my god, what the hell is going on? Fake poison? I gotta get out of here! Press another one. Alright then, let's do it. No more! I'm blind. my god. Oh my god, help me. Oh, my eyes. Oh my god. Let's do something else. Let's one again. Let's do something else. No more. Let's see what I got here. Put the meals all day. No more. Holy cow. A lot of pots of spaghetti meatball sauce on it. Let's do something else. Punch him. No! We have fish eggs. Okay, Saya. I'm next. Ready? Olimar, get on. What's that word again? Oh, go. Why, of course. Oh, that's good. Looking good. No. Oh, I'll eat. So close again. And ow, oh no, oh I gotta get out of here. No more, please. Oh. What the? Help me up. Alright, Dane. I'm free! Freedom! Oh, ow. Oh, no, you don't. Oh. No more internet, guys. Blink. Oh. Courage, help! Oh. No. Ew. That's disgusting. Coach, you gotta do something and help me. Oh, what the? That's funny. Ooh. No, I'm tired. What you gotta do? No more, Mr. Noise. Coach, put that soda on the machine. Okay. No. And go. Hold on, I hope this one works. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my. My god. Oh my god. Oh my. Whoa. Oh my lord. Oh no. More. I got an idea. Let's hurry. Punch harder. Ha. That's better. That's better. Looking like and good. Tastes like apple juice before a while ago. Back to number where we were. la. Oh, I'm back to normal, Coach. We did it. Mm, mm, ah. It's good way to be home. Where is Eustace? Well, uh, I want some scrambled eggs, dude. I want some scrambled eggs. I want scrambled eggs. I want scrambled eggs. Mama. Oop. Ha 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 ha. I love my baby's growing up. Dun dun